Stuffed zucchini with goat cheese and marinara. For this delicious stuffed zucchini recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 4 medium-sized zucchini, 1 4-ounce log goat cheese, 1 cup marinara sauce, 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. Let's get started! Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Next, slice the zucchini in half lengthwise. Scoop out the seeds and carve the inside, leaving the zucchini hollowed out like a canoe. Place the hollowed-out zucchini on a baking sheet. Divide the goat cheese among the zucchini halves. Now spoon marinara sauce on top of the goat cheese. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella on top. Bake until the goat cheese is soft, the marinara is bubbling, and the zucchini is tender, about 25 minutes. Serve immediately and enjoy. Brought to you by Sistari, connecting families through food. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.